Hi guys, this case is about COVID-19 impact on workforce productivity with work-from-home policy, analysis of the manufacturing industry case solution. Research problem. Employees are considered to be an important factor in contributing to increasing sustainability and supporting the progress of the company. Davidescu AA, 2020. Employees are reflected as the engine driving all the organizational activities and are critical for the growth of the organization, as the company is said to perform potentially when the employees are productive and ensure the success of the organization. Whereas workforce productivity is termed as the measurement of the output of goods and services that employees can perform in a specified set period. Ali, 2021. Workforce productivity has turned out to be a crucial factor in maintaining the strength and stability of a company's overall business performance. Koopman, 2002. Selected key readings. The literature review of the research will emphasize on the following important conceptions: literature on COVID-19 effects and working from home, employee productivity during tough times such as recessions. After having a literature review, it is perceived that as the waves of COVID-19 rolled along, people have been forced to change the way they work and live. Working from home has gained more importance than working in offices. According to 35.2% of workers worked entirely from home in the U.S. in May 2020. The research, Afrianty, 2022, suggests that organizations need to support their employees with effective organizational support processes and developments when engaging them in WFH, as the organizational processes are ineffective to support employees during the pandemic. Studies show that in Indonesia, working from home would prove to be beneficial to sustain job satisfaction due to the changing current atmosphere. According to workforce productivity has a negative relationship with family-work conflict and social isolation, while leadership has a positive relationship with work-from-home productivity and work-from-home engagement, had revealed in their findings that the level of remote work was high during a pandemic, and industries with highly educated and better-paid employees have been reported to have more WFH, whereas employees regarded that better educated and highly paid industries have fewer productivity losses during the pandemic, and firms switching to remote working believe that WFH will be common even after pandemic ends. Kitagawa, 2021, had conducted unique surveys in Japan for 4 manufacturing firms, and found that employees working from home have experienced less productivity than those who did not work from home. The poor WFH setups and difficulties in communication are causing productivity loss, and the mental health of employees is also significantly affected in this scenario. Thanks for watching this video. For more case studies, please visit our website, TheCaseSolutions.com. Also like and subscribe our channel The Case Solutions.